Hello, adventurers and efficiency enthusiasts. Are you ready to redefine the way you travel in 2024? As we stand on the brink of another year filled with potential for exploration and discovery, it's time to unlock the art of traveling with ease and style. The secret? Smart travel. It's all about combining the thrill of adventure with the savvy of efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your first ever escapade, the world of smart travel awaits you. This isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about transforming every journey into a seamless adventure. It's about using insider knowledge to navigate the globe, all while saving time, money, and stress. So, buckle up and prepare to delve into the ultimate guide for smart travel. Let's dive into the smartest travel tips that will save you time, money, and stress this year. Tip number 1. Packing like a pro. Say goodbye to overpacked suitcases and hello to minimalist, smart packing. It's not just about what you bring along, it's how you bring it. Let's dive into the art of packing efficiently and effectively. First off, let's talk about compression bags. These are your best friends when it comes to packing. They help you save space and keep your clothes wrinkle-free. You'd be amazed at how much more you can fit into your suitcase when you're using these handy tools, and the best part, they're reusable and perfect for organizing your suitcase. Next, consider multi-use garments. These are clothes that can be worn in multiple ways or in various settings. Think a dress that turns into a skirt, or a jacket that can also be a comfy pillow during a long flight. These items not only save you space but also give you more outfit options while on the road. But even with all these tools at your disposal, it's crucial to have a meticulously planned packing list. This isn't just a list of items to pack, it's a strategic plan that considers the climate of your destination, the activities you'll be doing, and even the cultural norms of the places you'll be visiting. It helps you avoid overpacking and ensures you have everything you need. And as we're on the topic of planning, don't forget to factor in your return journey. You're bound to pick up a few souvenirs or gifts during your travels, so always leave a little room in your suitcase for these memory-filled items. Packing, when done right, doesn't have to be a dreaded task. It can be the first exciting step of your journey, a puzzle to solve, a challenge to master. And remember, it's not about fitting your entire closet into your suitcase. It's about choosing the right items that will make your travel experience smooth, comfortable, and enjoyable. And remember, always leave space for memories. After all, those are the most important things we bring back from our journeys. Tip #2, harnessing technology. In 2024, travel apps are your best friend. Today, we're living in an era where technology is everywhere, and it's changing the way we travel. It's not just about getting from point A to point B anymore. It's about the journey and how we can make it smoother, more enjoyable, and more efficient. Imagine having a personal assistant in your pocket, ready to help at a moment's notice. That's what travel apps are like. They're there to make your life easier, to take the stress out of travel, and to ensure you have the best experience possible. First, let's talk about flight apps. These are essential for any traveler. They provide real-time updates on flight statuses, gate changes, and even weather conditions. You can check in online, choose your seat, and have your boarding pass right on your phone. No more scrambling at the last minute or worrying about losing your paper ticket. Next on our list are language translation apps. These are lifesavers when you're in a foreign country and don't speak the language. Simply type or speak into the app, and it will translate your words into the local language. Some apps even offer a conversation mode, allowing you to have real-time conversations with locals. It's like having a personal interpreter with you at all times. But that's not all. There are also apps for finding the best local restaurants, booking accommodations, navigating public transportation, and even discovering off-the-beaten-path attractions. These apps give you insider information at your fingertips, allowing you to explore like a local, even when you're a world away from home. And let's not forget about the many travel planning apps available. These apps help you organize your itinerary, manage your travel documents, and keep track of all your reservations in one place. It's like having a personal travel agent who's always on call. Let's explore the must-have apps that will make your travel smoother than ever. So, whether you're a digital nomad, a weekend warrior, or a once-a-year holidaymaker, these travel apps are your passport to a more enjoyable, stress-free travel experience. Harness the power of technology and make your next journey the best one yet. Tip number 3, embracing eco-friendly travel. Travel smarter by choosing sustainable options. As we journey through this beautiful planet, it's crucial that we do our part to preserve it. Sustainable travel is more than a trend in 2024, it's a responsibility we all share. Let's start with accommodations. More and more hotels and lodgings are adopting green practices, from using renewable energy sources to implementing water-saving measures. But eco-friendly accommodations aren't limited to hotels. Consider eco-lodges, green hostels, or even camping under the stars. These choices not only lessen your environmental impact, but also immerse you in the natural beauty of your destination. Next, think about what you pack. Opt for reusable essentials over disposable ones. A refillable water bottle, a cloth shopping bag, even a bamboo toothbrush can significantly reduce the waste you produce during your travels. And here's a bonus. You'll also save money by not constantly buying single-use items. Finally, consider your mode of transportation. Air travel, while convenient, has a substantial carbon footprint, so once you're at your destination, why not explore like a local? Public transport is not only a greener choice, it also offers a unique window into the everyday life of the place you're visiting. Or better yet, rent a bike or walk when possible. It's healthier, and you'll have the freedom to discover hidden gems off the beaten path. Remember, every small action counts. Choosing a local, farm-to-table restaurant over a chain or buying souvenirs from local artisans can support the local economy and promote sustainable tourism. Eco-friendly travel not only reduces your carbon footprint but also offers a more authentic experience of your destination. It's about making mindful choices that enrich your journey, benefit local communities, and respect the planet we all call home. So the next time you pack your bags, think green and travel smart. Tip number 4. Smart budgeting. Let's debunk the myth that travel has to be expensive. It's all about strategic planning, savvy choices, and of course, a little inside knowledge. First off, planning ahead is more than just a good idea. It's a game changer. Early bookings often come with enticing discounts. Plus, you get a wider selection of flights, accommodations, and even tours. This gives you the freedom to pick options that align best with your budget and preferences. Next, let's talk about the magic of off-peak times. Have you ever wondered why some travelers seem to enjoy world-class destinations without the world-class price tag? Well, it's likely because they're traveling during off-peak seasons. Not only can you save a significant amount on flights and accommodations, but you can also enjoy less crowded attractions. Now, on to travel rewards. Frequent flyer miles, hotel loyalty points, credit card bonuses. These aren't just perks for business travelers. If leveraged wisely, they can translate into free flights, room upgrades, or discounted rates. Many travel credit cards also offer sign-up bonuses that can cover part or even the full cost of your next trip. So, don't miss out on these rewards. They could take you further than you think. Lastly, remember that local knowledge is a wealth of savings. Whether it's a hole-in-the-wall eatery serving delicious local cuisine at half the price of a touristy restaurant, or a local market where you can buy souvenirs without the tourist markup, these insider spots can save you a fortune. So, make friends with locals, ask for recommendations, and don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path. By planning ahead, choosing off-peak times, and leveraging travel rewards, you can explore the world without breaking the bank. And remember, the most memorable parts of travel often aren't the most expensive ones. The world is waiting for you, and with smart budgeting, it's more accessible than ever. Traveling smarter in 2024 means being prepared, adaptable, and mindful of the world around us. We've covered the art of packing light and smart, utilizing technology to keep you informed and connected, embracing eco-friendly travel to reduce your carbon footprint, and smart budgeting to make your money go further. These are the insider tips that pave the path for seamless journeys. Remember, each trip is an opportunity to explore, learn, and grow. With this newfound knowledge, you're ready to travel smarter, not harder. These tips are not just about making travel easier, they're about enhancing your experiences and making every journey memorable. So where will your next adventure take you? How will you apply these tips to travel smarter in 2024? If you found these tips helpful, give us a like, share with your fellow travelers, and subscribe for more travel insights and guides. Until next time, keep wandering but always smartly. Safe travels.